Alrighty, we have e5jarhead's M17x here. Right now I'm working on getting the new command center before I reload it, but as you can tell the lights are not on. Okay, we have e5jarhead's here. His lights are not working either. He has a M17x model. Right now I'm on Dell's site. I'm about to get the new command center just so the old one's not on there anymore, and we'll go ahead and reflash it in a few minutes. Okay, I have the programmer attached here. So we're going to go ahead and try to reflash it. Let's go ahead and connect. We got connected, and we're going to hit go. Okay, and we have operation successful. So I'm going to go ahead and reassemble it, and we'll see if we have lights on it. Okay, everything's back together, so we're going to see if we have lights on now. Got his lights back, so we're going to go ahead and put the new command center on and make sure the keyboard can change colors for him. Okay, we just got the latest command center installed, so we're going to try it out for e5jarhead and see if the lights work okay for him. Everything looks good on there, so I'm going to go ahead and shut her down and boot it back up and test it out a few more times, and he should be good to go.